tornado arrived. We have the car, we have the rechargeable batteries, I think, and we have batteries, and we have the remote control. Oh my God, I think I've got a spoiler to put on the back. Oh, I think you need screws to screw it on. It's like you have to take the top off. I just took off the last one. I think you put the spoiler over here, and I think you put the screws, I'm pretty sure, on the other side. Yeah, but I need a screwdriver. Last screw, I have to do 4 screws. I did it. The batteries into the remote. I'm putting in the last one. It beeped. That must mean it's working. So I think you need to put the battery in here, the battery holder. Plug the battery into the car. Let's press the button and see if it works. Oh, the lights turn on. That means it works. Now let's go test it out. Grab your lids and put them on. I think this is how you trim it. You just do one click. You click it. I'm about to test out the tornado on the BMX track. Let's test it out. I love this because it's super fast and it's good for kids my age, and plus it's got like this cool wheel for the remote control for the turn. If you want one of these, go to limitlesskid.com merch store.